In question 14, you're given a diagrammatic representation of what happens when we increase a long table and the number of people we can fit alongside it. Now, with one table by itself, you've actually got the capacity for a total of 6 people, one at the head and one at the tail, if you like, of the table, to either side. Now, adding an additional table provides room for only an additional 4 people. So if I was to complete that grid, 6 goes to 10, which will go to 14, which will go to 18, which will go to 22, which will go to 26. Now, we can write that as an arithmetic sequence because there's a common difference before having started with a first number, a starting number of 6. To write the rule for the sequence, as before, and we get Tn is equal to 4n plus 2. Now we can use that rule for any realistic number. Now 23 tables is going to be a pretty long room, but we'll see how we go. Now please make sure you give it in the expanded version. It's going to make life easier for us later on. So in this case, T23 is equal to 4 times 23 plus 2, which is going to be 94 people as my answer. I'd like to use this question as an opportunity of demonstrating how you could do or find the 23rd term, or in fact any realistic term, using the sequence app on your calculator. Going to your calculator home screen or menu screen, sequence, and not the recursive but the explicit, and we type in 4n plus 2. I'll select it, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to press this button. Now that's starting at 0, so I've actually got to do a little bit of a correction here. I've actually got to start my table at 1 and I'll run it through to 50. So let's just try that again. And you can see here the first term is 6, and as I tab down the page through to 23, you can see the number 94, which confirms what we've got. Now this is going to be particularly handy as it does provide some graphing prospects for us as we go through, and aspects that we will be looking at as we progress through. Very, very handy tool to have.